Do you want to know a really cool way to manifest either a new love or an accountant or business partner or a friend? Well, that's what we're going to talk about today. Stay tuned. Amanda here from createyourfuture.co. So today we're talking about how we can actually attract new people in our life, whether it be a new relationship or a business partner, clients, friends, whichever. So if you haven't already subscribed, definitely subscribe, hit the bell icon below. I do put out new videos every Sunday, Wednesday, and Friday, each one of them designed to create something wonderful in your life. So let's get started. This is so cool. This is how I actually attracted my specific person and my new relationship with my current boyfriend. So what we do is we get a piece of paper and pen and we title the top. So let's start with an example of relationships, okay? So my new boyfriend. Okay, you write that out. And then you get into the nitty gritty because you could actually create them to be how you want them to look, what you want them to be like, their characteristics, their personality traits, everything. You can create everything with as much or as little detail as you want. So you can create them that he's emotionally intelligent, forgiving, understanding. He's tall, dark, with like brown hair, 165 pounds. Like you can create every single detail. And the magic of the universe will create that person exactly for you. Okay, it's that simple. You have that power. You are a creator. And once you get clear on what you want, then you are going to have that come. Now, I say be as specific as possible. Okay, because if something's important to you, make sure you put it on that list. Because let's say that you do everything like, okay, he's going to have a good job and he's going to drive a good car. He's going to be established in life. He's going to, be a lawyer with a huge law firm and you got all this down. But then you forget to write the physical characteristics and then he shows up and you're like, oh my God, no. Right? You know what I mean? Like you have that power. Oh no, I forgot. Okay, Robert Downey Jr. look like, please, like whatever the case may be, right? So be specific on what you want because the more specific you are, then you're actually going to get that. If you leave something out to chance, then you may not get everything that you want. And the thing is you have the ability to get everything you want. You just need to be clear on it. So be clear, be detailed. Like every single detail you can actually create. So why wouldn't you? Right? Let's say you're looking for a specific business partner. Well, my future business partner. Start writing everything out, every characteristic that you want. Avoid leaving anything to chance because you don't have to. Let's say you have a business and you want a certain sort of clientele. You can definitely write down the clientele that you want, the clientele that makes this much, that wants this service, that service, and these perfect people that you create will actually show up. You can even create an avatar. Right? Essentially, that's what you're doing. You're creating an avatar of who you want to show up in your life. Say you have a lot of friends and none of them are into the law of attraction. Well, first of all, you can create and recreate your current friends to be into the law of attraction. I intend for my friends to be interested in the law of attraction and understand it. Or you can create new friends. You can say, okay, my new friends, I intend for them to be into the law of attraction. I intend for them to be just as much into Neville as I am. I intend this, 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 this. You can go in as much a little detail. You can intend for them to be healthy. You can intend for them to be athletic. You can intend for them to be anything. Essentially, you're basically building a person just like in a video game from like top to bottom. So put as much detail in there. This is limitless. You can put anything you want in there and they're going to show up exactly the way that you create it. So yeah, once you have this list, you can put the list away. No need to check it out again. You can check it out again, completely up to you. Set the intention. I'm going to find this person and they're gonna find me, and then sure enough they will walk into your life. So it works amazingly. I was quite surprised how well it worked when I found my boyfriend with it. However, you know what, I use it for everything. I use it if I'm looking for an accountant. I use it if I'm looking for somebody and a friend. I look at for when I was looking for a mechanic. uh, Everything. I constantly do it because we have that power to plan things out. So definitely plan out what you would like, who you would like to show up in your life. Because remember, everyone is you pushed out, and you do have the ability to create the people that come into your life exactly the way that you want them. Anyways, that's my video for today. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing, and sharing. And thank you guys all for supporting each other in the comments. I do read all of the comments. I do my best to comment on as many as I can of them. Some days there are quite a bit, and I do appreciate them all. So, yes, anyways, thank you so much for your support, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye. Create something wonderful today.